Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In this video, we show you our development, Japanese to English conversion of the instrument cluster, also known as speedometer or combination meter, in Suzuki Jimny, the 2026 model. That is a new restyle instrument cluster with 3 needles. Suzuki added extra needle for the fuel gauge, and in comparison to the monochrome clusters in Suzuki Jimny 2024 and 2025 models, this new cluster has color display. Although design of this new cluster color display resembles Suzuki Swift, it has completely different engineering inside. The cluster you see in this video is a brand sparkling new zero-mileage Japanese cluster we received for research and development. Important to mention that brand new clusters are not cheap. Modern clusters have multiple mechanisms in place which could trigger permanent cluster failure during various read-write attempts. In other words, there is always a risk of the cluster being bricked. For that reason, we never experiment with the clusters from the live vehicle. All menus and warning messages in this Japanese domestic market Jimny instrument cluster were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change them to English. We identified few hundred Japanese phrases, some of which you can see in this video. We translated them all to English. Due to the uniqueness of the Japanese language, some phrases required abbreviation. The functionality of the cluster remains intact. This video shows various menus and warnings before and after conversion to English. Menus have multiple layers, and it's not that easy to navigate through those when they are in foreign language. See for yourself. After conversion, various menus are displayed in English. Apart from normal driving conditions, any warning messages will now pop up in English. This is not a DIY procedure. You need to show up in person or courier your instrument cluster to us in Auckland, New Zealand. We could also source brand new units for sale. We provide our services New Zealand-wide to Australia, UK, Ireland, Europe and Japan. Call us on WhatsApp or mobile for quotes and bookings. Thank you for watching.